Here, very talented people are shaping the future. Here, we innovate new technologies that support our health, protect our planet, and enrich our lives. With more than 7,500 employees worldwide, we're committed to trust, team, and excellence, values that are more than words on a wall. They are part of our DNA and how we conduct ourselves every day. IDEX stands for Innovation, Diversity, and Excellence. Our success comes from an environment that respects and celebrates diversity of thought, background, and culture. We foster honesty, respect, and open communications. These values define who we are and are the compass that guides our decisions and how we operate. We invite you to be part of our team, focused on making a difference. Together, we can work to make trusted solutions that improve lives.